Well, here we go. We got a quick set. Smart key. We got no key. We got no nothing here. So how do I get this thing apart? I'm going to use the removal tool. Start with the spindle. Remove the spindle. Got a little pin right here in the back. You pull that spindle out. Booyah. There we go. Straight through there. You're going to run this tool right in through there. You're going to release the face. I tap it. Feel the spring. I tap it. Look at everything comes out. I always mark with my marker. As it was sitting on the door, it was flat. I marked the top, inside. That way I know when I put it back together. And now we're at this old original piece here. Look familiar? So we're going to release, we're going to pull out this clip right here. And this is the smart key. So we're going to pull out this clip. Once I can get this clip pulled out, right there, you see it? Pull that clip. Now everything comes out. The lock comes right out. Although this is pretty crudded in there. So there we go. Now we are back to rekeying a smart lock with no key. We've been here before, right? Just like in the other videos. I'm going to use my reset tool. I got multiple different reset tools. This is my favorite of all favorites. It's the fastest one. I'm going to stick just a key in there. Going to turn this guy. And boom, just that fast we have it reset. And they have sprayed a bunch of WD-40 in here. Don't spray any WD-40 in there. My opinion, that stuff is junk and it turns to honey. Push the reset tool. Here's the new keys I'm rekeying this entire house to. Put that guy in there, bammo. We're good to go. So I'm going to spray in some other crap just to try and clear out some of the gunk that they put in there. This customer wants 6 keys. Make sure these keys work. And they didn't after I sprayed it. So sometimes it don't always work. You go right back, you use your resetter, you reset it again, you spin it. Hit the reset button. Oh yeah, we're good to go.